Hey, thanks for tuning in for another tasting experience. Today we're going to be talking about, now, mind you, this is a non alcoholic review, and I've never had this root beer before. And this is Dad's Old Fashioned Root Beer. So I've seen it, just never had it. Let's see here. It says America's Premium. Do you guys ever feel that the word premium is abused and used way too much? I think it's oversaturated as a word. This is also caffeine free. Now, I do enjoy, I know it was a twist top, but I wanted to use the bottle opener. I enjoy root beer, sarsaparilla. I like all those things. I truly do. I think that's good right there. Get you a little bit of that. Bam, baby. And let's get it here. Here we go. Definitely root beer, like root beer barreled candy. A lot of caramel on that. I like the way it smells. I like root beer. That smells really good. Ooh, that's a crispy, crispy drink right there. Heavy on the carbonation because it started really biting like the tongue, the back of the throat with a lot of carbonation, which is good, right? You want a soda that's gonna give you some of that fizzy goodness. Everything is rich. I get a lot of vanilla on that. There's a lot of vanilla and caramel and almost like a barrel taste. I'm surprised again. I'm surprised I've never had this. I know what I'm gonna grab next time. Normally there are like your culprits that you normally would have, like A&W, Barks, Mugs. Those are fantastic. But I've never had this. And I'll be honest with you, it knocks out one of them and it's like rivals two others, but it does have that good quality taste. Things are kind of complex and layered. I know you're like, it's just a root beer, but yeah, it's a really good root beer. And I highly recommend that you guys try it and get it and let me know how you feel. So, other than that, I'm having a great time with it and I'm having a great time with you watching. And until next time, guys, cheers.